Are you tired of feeling like your money disappears every month? Saving money is not just about having extra cash. It's about building a secure future, being prepared for emergencies, and achieving your life goals. Imagine a life where you're not worried about unexpected expenses, where you can afford your dreams without stress. This is what saving money can do for you, and today we're exploring the 50-30-20 budget rule. One of the simplest ways to save and manage your money effectively. Let's break it down step by step. The 50-30-20 rule is a budgeting method that helps you divide your income into three main categories. It's easy to follow and works for people of all income levels. Here's how it works. First, 50% of your income should go toward your needs. Needs are the essentials you can't live without, like housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, and insurance. For example, if you earn $3,000 a month, 50% is $1,500. This means you should aim to spend no more than $1,500 on these basic expenses. If your needs cost more than this, it might be time to make some adjustments, like finding a more affordable apartment or cutting back on energy usage. Next, 30% of your income is for your wants. Wants are the things you enjoy but don't necessarily need, like dining out, entertainment, shopping for clothes, or streaming services. For example, if your income is $3,000, 30% is $900. This means you can spend up to $900 on things that make your life more enjoyable. But be careful not to overspend in this category, because it can eat into your savings. Finally, 20% of your income is for saving and paying off debt. This is the most important category because it's about securing your financial future. This money should go toward building an emergency fund, investing for retirement, saving for major purchases, or paying down debt. For example, if your income is $3,000, 20% is $600. You can split this between saving and debt repayment based on your priorities. Saving money is not just a habit, it's a mindset. When you save, you're giving yourself options for the future. Think of it as paying yourself first. This simple shift in mindset can make a huge difference. For example, by consistently saving 20% of your income, you can create an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of expenses. This gives you peace of mind and protects you from financial setbacks. Now let's talk about why saving money is so important. Without savings, life can feel unpredictable and stressful. A medical emergency, a job loss, or an unexpected home repair can turn into a financial crisis if you're not prepared. On the other hand, saving money gives you freedom. Freedom to take risks, pursue opportunities, and live life on your own terms. It's the foundation for financial independence. One of the most common mistakes people make is confusing wants with needs. For example, upgrading your phone might feel like a need, but if your current phone works fine, it's actually a want. Learning to separate these categories is key to sticking to your budget. Another mistake is not tracking your spending. You can't improve what you don't measure. Using budgeting apps or even a simple spreadsheet can help you stay on track. Let's go over a quick example to make this even clearer. Imagine you earn $3,000 a month. You allocate $1,500 to rent, groceries, and transportation. That's 50% for your needs. Then you set aside $900 for eating out, movies, and shopping. That's 30% for your wants. Finally, you put $600 into savings or use it to pay off a credit card. This is how the 50-30-20 rule works in real life. Saving doesn't mean you have to give up everything you enjoy. It's about finding balance and being intentional with your spending. For instance, instead of eating out 5 times a month, try eating out 3 times and saving the rest. Small changes like this can add up over time. Remember, budgeting is not about perfection, it's about progress. If you mess up one month, don't give up. Adjust and keep going. The goal is to create a system that works for you and helps you build a better future. Think about your own spending habits. Where could you cut back? What goals could you achieve if you saved an extra 20% of your income? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you've already tried the 50-30-20 rule, share your experience below. I'd love to hear your tips and ideas. If this video has helped you understand how to manage your money better, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more practical and easy to follow financial tips. Thank you for watching. Start saving, stay consistent, and build the financial future you deserve. See you in the next video.